Hey there! Are you facing issues with your iPhone not receiving emails? Don't worry, this can happen for a few reasons, like network troubles, outdated settings, or even storage issues. In this guide, we'll walk you through some troubleshooting steps to help you get back to receiving your emails. Let's dive right into it. Solution 1. Check your network connection. First, swipe down to open the control center. Make sure you have a solid connection to either the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Solution 2. Verify email account settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down, tap on Apps. Scroll down and find and tap on Mail. Next, tap on Accounts. Select the email account that's having trouble. Ensure all your settings like server settings and ports are correct. You might want to turn off the email option from here. Alternatively, consider deleting your account. Then try adding your email or Gmail account again. Make sure to enable the mail option afterward. Solution 3. Force close the Mail app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle, or double-click the Home button on older iPhones. Look for the Mail app. Then swipe up on the Mail app preview to close it. Restart your iPhone. After that, reopen the Mail app. Solution 4. Clear junk mail. Open the Mail app. Try deleting some old emails from your iPhone. Look at the bottom. Tap on Trash. Remove all the emails from the trash. Solution 5. Manage storage. Open the Settings app. Scroll down, tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Check if your storage is almost full. If it is, free up some space. Consider deleting old or large emails to create more room. Solution 6. Turn on and off iCloud Mail. Open the Settings app. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Tap on iCloud. Tap on See All. Find the Mail app and toggle it off. Wait a moment, then toggle it back on. Solution 7. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down, tap on General. Scroll down again. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Finally, tap on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue with your iPhone not receiving emails. If the problem still persists, or if you need a little extra help, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.